Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data. Make a full iCloud or iTunes backup because this is invasive. Once done, power the phone off and remove the 2 pentalobe screws at the lightning port. Now apply a suction cup near the lower bezel and gently lift to create a small gap. Insert a thin pick. Make sure to work slowly. Glass and cables are fragile. Gather the Y000 and Phillips drivers and a spudger before proceeding to disconnect the battery and screen connectors. With the display open like a book, prop it to the right and remove the small metal bracket covering the connectors. Once removed, unscrew the bracket screws and use a spudger to disconnect the battery first, then the display and front sensor/digitizer connectors. This prevents shorting. Once connectors are free, lift the display assembly away. Keep each screw labeled and separate because 3 different lengths matter. This gives you access to the front-facing sensor assembly and the digitizer, which is the common failure point for touch issues. The only reliable fix for persistent touch failure is replacing the digitizer or the entire display assembly. Install the replacement by seating the front sensor, aligning the flex cables, and reconnecting the display connectors. Reconnect battery last. Before sealing, power on and run touch tests across edges and corners. Make sure Face ID components are seated if using full assembly. Once verified, reattach the metal bracket and pentalobe screws. If touch remains unresponsive, inspect flex cable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.